The employees at Bartosh Signs design custom signs.
Bartosh. I work here at Bartosh Signs. I am the third generation of Bartoshes. There are 4 generations of Bartoshes who have been involved in this business.
Hello, my name is DJ Pauly. I am the head CNC. We get to take things from raw material and turn it into essentially works of art or products.
Glenn Frack, neon tube bender here at Bartosh Sign Company. For 7 years, I like working with my hands and creating everything that you do is more unique. It's custom work. After doing it all these years, I never get bored.
My name is Tim Ditzler. I'm a fabricator here at Bartosh. My job contributes to the main process by, we're constructing the actual body of the sign. I'm doing the welding, basically making the actual product.
The environment here at Bartosh Signs is it's unique. I mean, because of that, the people that we have here are mainly artistic in some way, shape, or form.
My advice for anyone wanting to enter a manufacturing career is, first of all, technical schooling. And if that's not available, find yourself somebody with years of experience.
The cool thing about manufacturing is you can make something from nothing. So you're getting raw materials and measurements, blueprints, putting it together, and you got a finished product.